I am back with Lego Technic, and I have my Land Rover. It's not this probably if you looked up a Land Rover or have a Land Rover even, it's not the Land Rover you'd expect. I just called it that and then thought it up as I go. It's kind of a makeshift turbocharger here. The headlights, and see this. So there's the seat, and then see this steering wheel with my finger. It turns the wheels. There's good shocks too. The back has actual shocks. There's the bed. It's pretty cool. It's pretty big too. I like that there's not a big roof on it. It's just like a roof, kind of like a steel pole roof. I really like it, and I really recommend this book. Incredible Lego Technic. Cars, trucks, robots, and more. You see it probably upside down. Yeah, you see it really weird. But it's a really cool book. There's a three-wheeler, Shelby Mustang. These are all mocks from people that actually made them from can't read that one right now. But they're just make your own of real cars. It's really cool. So see you later. Be back with my next video soon.